Hi guys, and welcome to Intuition Study Services. In today's episode of Lightning Maths, we'll be looking at a really quick and easy way to learn, know and remember the 5 times table. So let's take a look. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to write the digits from 0 to 6, writing each digit twice, like so. So we write 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and so on. And then all you gotta do right next to them is you write the pattern of 0 and 5, starting with 0. So starting right at the top, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, and 0. And if you haven't noticed already, there's the 5 times table. So we've got 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, 6 times 5 is 30, 7 times 5 is 35, 8 times 5 is 40, 9 times 5 is 45, 10 times 5 is 50, 11 times 5 is 55, and 12 times 5 is 60. And if you do this a few times, you'll be able to remember the 5 times table in a matter of seconds, and you'll know it just like that off the top of your head. Let me know how well you did with this in the comments below. Okay, so everybody should have done well with that, but if you feel you need a bit more practice, then feel free to rewind this video and you can work through the technique again. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do leave a like, comment, share with anyone who you think this could benefit, and do subscribe for all the latest Lightning Maths tips, tricks, revision and exam techniques. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.